Don't shoot what it looks like, shoot what it feels like. To me, photography is an art of observation. It's about finding something interesting in an ordinary place. I found it has little to do with the things you see and everything to do with the way you see them. An artist is not paid for his labor, but for his vision. All the technique in the world doesn't compensate for the inability to notice. If you want to be a better photographer, stand in front of more interesting stuff. Not everybody trusts paintings, but people believe photographs. One doesn't stop seeing, one doesn't stop framing. It doesn't turn off and on, it's on all the time. The eye should learn to listen before it learns to look. Which of the photographs is my favorite? The one I'm going to take tomorrow. To consult the rules of composition before making a picture is a little like consulting the law of gravitation before going for a walk. I never have taken a picture I've intended. They're always better or worse. I'm not interested in rules or conventions. Photography is not a sport. There is only you and your camera. The limitations in your photography are in yourself, for what we see is what we are.